Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a domain on DreamHost. So once you are on your website, here you can see that there are domain names and you can manage here the registrations. Now, of course, this is only if you want to buy one from the DreamHost, but to add your own, you click on websites here and manage websites. And now, as you can see, I already have one domain added. I'm just going to add a website right there. Just click this plus sign, enter your domain, and let's add it. Just like so. This is registered with another domain provider. Yes, I am the owner. And then you click next. Now you can connect this domain to your hosting plan. You can redirect a domain, mirror, set to DNS only, and park a domain. So for now, I'm just going to choose set to DNS only, and let's just set this to our DreamHost. Now, once you added the website, you want to click on DNS, and here, as you can see, they are asking you to use these name servers on your domain provider. So you're gonna go ahead. For example, I used Namecheap domain to connect here, and as you can see, there are name servers on domain. So just find it on your provider of your domain, and you want to click custom domain, and here you want to enter these free name servers. So I'm just going to enter them here, just like so. Enter these free, and here we have it, and now it will connect to our DreamHost once you've done that. As you can see, they are now changed, and now your website is connected. So you can also transfer it if you want. I'm just gonna leave it like so. And yeah, that's how you can manage it here. And also you can change DNS settings, get an email, SSL security, and many other things. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.